Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 011, Arithmetic, Section 1.8, Problem 8. This is Section 1.8, Problem number 8. It says Jeff and Susan have a rectangular living room that is 12 feet wide and 16 feet long. They want to buy new carpet for the living room. The carpet that they want costs $7 per square foot. How much will it cost to get their living room carpeted? So, I think it always helps if you draw a picture. Let's say this is their living room. It's 16 feet long, 12 feet wide. So what we have to do is find out how many square feet their living room is and multiply that number of square feet times the price per square foot. So how many square feet it is, that's the area. So area equals the length times the width. But some people say base times height. It's the same thing. So the length of the living room is 16 feet times the width is 12 feet. So you can multiply 16 times 12, and we can do that, multiply it out, 16 times 12. So 2 times 6 is 12. Put down the 2 from the 12, carry the 1. And now 2 times 1 is 2, plus the 1 more that we carried is 3. Well, we could have just said 2 times 16 is 32. I could have done that. And now I have the 32. I'm going to multiply the 1 next. So when I multiply the next digit over to the left, I have to either move my answer over to the left by 1 or put in a 0 to force me to move over. And now 1 times 6 is 6. 1 times 1 is 1. And now I can add 32 plus 160. 2 plus 0 is 2. 3 plus 6 is 9. Nothing on top plus 1 is 1. So 192, that's the area or number of square feet of the living room. This living room is 192 square feet. Now, that's not the answer yet. Each square foot will cost $7. So now we have to multiply the 192 square feet times the $7 per square foot. So 7 times 2 is 14. I'll put the 4 from the 14 under the column of digits that I'm working on, carry the 1 from the 14 to the top of the next column. Now I will multiply 7 times 9, add the 1 that I carried. 7 times 9 is 63. Plus 1 more that I carried, 63 plus 1 more is 64. So now for 64, I'll put the 4 from the 64 under the column of digits that I'm working on, carry the 6 from the 64 to the top of the next column. So now I'll multiply 7 times 1 and add the 6 that I carried. 7 times 1 is 7. 7 plus 6 more is 13. So the answer I get, 1344, 1,344, that will be the price to get the living room carpeted, $1,344.